related to Morgan explained here. He explained about eye color. What is that? Is yellow color. Yellow color represent white. Then brown color. That white plus. That is, it is related to shape of the body. That body shape. Then this is shape of the body. Then eye color, that is red color, W plus, white color, W. This is one crossing. Another one, they have taken, second one he has taken related to wing size. Either normal wing size, that is related to M, that is the dominant one. Then eye color, that is red color. That is red color. One more character. Then apart from this one, normal, that is a miniature, M. Then related to eye color, only W, that is the white. These two particular aspects he explained about this one among this one, but maximum no particular alleles present on Y chromosome. Whatever alleles, whatever genes which are present, all are related to our X1. That means there is only one can consider related to marker genes. Here also one can remember what is meant by marker gene. The gene expressed earlier that growth of that particular character. That is marker. Here one particular aspects one can be present under. Here an X related to female and male. In this one, female, both are X chromosomes. That is yellow body and white eyed. Yellow body, white eyed. Then male, this is Y chromosome. Brown body, red eye. Or commonly they have written wild type. This is the dominant, this is the recessive one. This is one type. Type 1. This is in type 2, the female one can consider white eye. Then miniature wing related to male, red eye. Then normal wing. So both are parents, but here in exam point of view, remember carefully location on the genes. Here located very closely, here located distantly. That is most important. Many times they ask it in statement level of questions. When one can called as strengthening of linkage and all, the distance between the two genes, if it is decrease the distance, then it is more stronger one. Then vice versa. If it is longer distance, if it is that one particular chromosome, if it is present distant place, automatically less particular linkage and all. That means more crossing over possibility and all. Here, this is important where one can closer and all. In this possibility, that particular gametes, similarly, here two gametes are formed in that closer distance. Remember, here no gametes under, here also very. So here two are there, any one can return gametes under. It is the wild type and formation of gametes. Then what about that particular F1 progeny? In F1 progeny, the female one can cross with the male. So normally female will be it is recessive one. Here wild type of female. Then male, vice versa. Male, earlier it is the wild type, now it is a normal, according to their character. Similarly, here also you must consider like this, but distant places. In this F1 progeny, in that F1 progeny, then one can know about very detailedly in F2 progeny what is the recombinant percentage. Here, in F2 generation, the parental, then recombinant type. Here also, in F2 generation, parental type and recombinant type and all. Here, in parental one, here there is no possibility maximum formation of different types of this one. Here, there may be chance to possible. How one can form here? Simply write like W, like this possibility formation of gametes. Why? Or any one single aspect only, right? Here, same manner, W plus Y. Like this, different formation of gametes are formed based on that particular gametes under. In that parental type, it is present that yellow and white, then as well as brown body and red-eyed. Then reverse, recombinant, one is Y plus and W. Another one Y, W plus. These are recombinant type. Then cross with X chromosome. All one can add X chromosome in F2 progeny. This is common YW for all. For all. So similarly, instead of X chromosome, if you write Y chromosome, that is the male progeny. All are female. Here, in this particular area where one can recombinant, this is recombinant 1.3 percentage. Rest of 98.7 percentage, that is the parental type. 98.7 are the parental one. 1.3 percentage recombinant type. Similarly, here also, because of distant one, here 37.3 percentage. 37.3 percentage. 37.2% is recombinant 1. Rest of it will be present that parental type under. Whatever you have drawn here, similarly remember this one. Here also very simple. Here only particular gametes you take like W plus or M plus, like possibility and all. WM plus, like MW plus, WM plus. Here also similarly you take Y plus, then oppositely one can take here Y plus, W plus, like that possibility of gametes. Here in this possibility of the gametes, here one can possibility based on this one in parental, one can write any one. I have written here like WM, then another one WM plus, another W plus, then W plus, M plus. These are possibility gametes. Then cross with the female. Female are all female related to the normal one, related to that is a normal white-eyed as well as miniature wing. In this recombinant 37.2% is because of distant. It located gene on distance of the chromosome. That's why which one can. Similarly related to male also. Instead of X chromosome, you write Y. That is a male. So it is recombinant. Why it is a less recombination related to in this first one. Type 1, why it is a less recombination? Because of the arrangement, the distance between two genes, it is very less distance. That's why more linkage one, less recombination. Similarly, reverse, vice versa. If it is a distant place, more recombination, that the less particular strength and all, little bit variation. So here a combination as well as if it is strengthened, when, why it will be strengthened, either age, either temperature, either distance, either number of, all you must consider and all. Related to sex-linked genes also it is present. It is a body color related to. Then Morgan explained about sex-linked genes. He explained about sex-linked genes. What is meant by sex-linked genes? The genes located, sex-linked genes for somatic chromosomes, genes for somatic characters present on sex chromosome. Once again, genes for somatic characters located on sex chromosome. That is we called as sex-linked genes. Then it influences, the characters are influenced by that genes we called as sex-linked inheritance. He also explained about related to sex-linked inheritance. Just now I said in human being, even though X-linked one, that is hemophilia, as well as color blindness, even though that genes are located on sex chromosomes, but it which indicates somatic characters. So genes are located sex chromosome, but the characters are influenced somatic one. That is sex-linked genes. Here he explained about the eye color in Drosophila. Eye color, in that eye color, red color eye. In red color eye, he explained related to in male. Then white color eye in female. Red color eye One can explain it about capital W. Normally red color, small w, superscript plus, that is a wild type. So provide that confusion anyone, that is a capital W. Then it is related to male, that is a Y chromosome. In Y chromosome, there is no specific alleles are present. Then white color eye, in that X-linked, small size. These are parents. Then what is the possibility of F1 progeny? Here, what is the possibility of gametes are present? These are two possibility gametes are formed. Here also, one. These are gametes are present. What is the F1 progeny? F1 progeny in F1 progeny, the male related to white color eyes, the female related to red color, the female red color eye, the male white color eye. Normally sex-linked one, it is maximum recessive one, more influence on male, but which one can affect it, which one can transfer, that is X-linked one. But immediately one can affect it on males rather than female and all. Then reverse, vice versa, if you take in this F1 progeny related to F2 progeny, what is the possibility? You only try it. Based on these characteristic feature, what is the possibility of F2 progeny? Then reversely, that means red color eye in female red color, then in male white color eye. These are parental and all. This is red color, this is white color, male as well as female. Reverse. Their possibility of gametes. This is important. Don't think easily as this one is there. No, here if it is red color female, if it is white color male, the F1 progeny all are red color progeny, either male or female. Suppose here if you consider in F1 progeny, male will be white color, male related to white, then female only one can affect red color and all. But here all are red color. That is important exam point of view, which type of crossing in sex-linked inheritance, then all F1 progeny, they may come in one particular character, whether it is dominant or recessive. Here in this particular character, here example we are taking, in exam point of view instead of here, any other example, if you know the basic concept, one can, different types of different modifications and all. Here all are red color eye. That means both male and female. No. Related to F2 progeny, you only identified related to F2 progeny, what is the possibility? Here also, what is the possibility? That means self-breeding. If you do that self-breeding, then automatically it will come. Then what is this one? What is here? Which one can possibilities and all? Then along with this one, like female and male, in Morgan explained about the color of the eye and all. Related to human beings also, that is the color blindness. It is also X-linked inheritance, that is a sex-linked inheritance. Then some of these sex-influenced genes, that is a baldness in male, related to that milk production in female, that is also sex-influenced genes. which are somatic characters, but sex inheritance genes it will be present. Then what is meant by marker genes? Just now also I said once again, marker genes, these genes expressed early in that development of earlier growth. So the effect of genes earlier growth, that is we called as marker genes. Example, wavy lamina in marker genes related to that wavy lamina and larger panicle in millets and all. Larger panicle in that millets, we consider these marker genes and all. Then related to why Mendel did not explain it, these linked genes. Already many times I said the gene which present on specific loci of the chromosome, same chromosome, that is linked one. If it is different chromosome, the same gene, that is recombinant gene. Very simple. But he did not explain it because of that linked genes present, height of that plant related to pod. These two particular characteristic features, that linked gene will be present. Then according to Blixit, the name of the scientist, Blixit, he identified number of linked genes. According to Blixit, he identified a number of linked genes on pea plant, that is in first chromosome they find in 2 genes and all. In that fourth chromosome, this is the chromosome, fourth chromosome 3 are there, 5 and 7. This is 1, this is 1. Like that 4, that is total 7 linked one. In that first chromosome, that means in chromosome different number of genes. In first chromosome in pea plant 2, in fourth chromosome 3, in fifth chromosome 1, as well as seventh 1. So these fifth and seventh, each one it is present according to Blix explained, but that Morgan, that is Mendel did not explain it. Based on the Morgan, he explained that particular linked genes present on pea plant, in normal garden pea plant. Here, recombinant, that is chromosomal theory as well as recombinant. This is recombinant, or otherwise we called as crossing over. It is also depends upon the sex, it is also depends upon temperature, it is also depends upon age, all factors. Suppose older age, less recombinant and all, more temperature, more regarding related to, as well as the area, the size regarding related to that particular distance between the genes of the same chromosome. That is common for recombinant and all. Here, that Johnson in 1909 explained about crossing over. Normally, crossing over chiasmata, X-link, X-shape, all you remember, already you know about in from earlier classes also, that is in meiosis 1, that crossing over, whenever crossing over, the inheritance characters one can exchange, one can transmit from one chromatid to another chromatid. That means paternal to maternal, maternal to paternal. Apart from this one, suppose father is there, their son is there, or their daughter is there, then grandson. That inheritance, the genes which one can transfer, father to grandson through daughter. Similarly, mother to that particular, the daughter related to son and all. That is, which are related to recombinant and all. For example, these recombinant at any aspects related to meiotic division, here, suppose this is A chromosome, AB, there is a dominant one. This is the recessive one. Dominant and recessive one, it will be present. Here, if you consider related to division under, this is A and B, this is A and B. Then during meiosis, here different stages are present, already you know. Here, one among these stages, sister chromatids are present. Here, in this crossing over, non-sister chromatids are formed. Non-sister chromatids like this one here. Similarly, here also. So, here, these two are non-sister chromatids. Because of in between the gap, meiosis 1, many substages are present, bivalent, then whatever homologous, which one can attach, then sister chromatids are present, non-sister chromatids. Here, it will be present A, in this whatever edge one, small one, here small a, here related to capital B. So, in this particular area, we consider crossing over recombinant. That means one is the parental, another one is the recombinant one. Related to, if you continuation, then formation of these particular aspects and all. This parental one, the superior and inferior, these two parts are parental one. This is recombinant one. This is capital A and small b. Small a and capital. So parental, recombinant, parental. So each and every 25%. So in this recombination, if you observe, each and every 25%. So the recombinant after crossing over, it takes place because of chiasmata that Johnson scientist explained about. This chiasmata one can form during meiosis, then exchanging one paternal to maternal, maternal to paternal, like recombinant genes are formed, like each and every 25%. Suppose instead of, unlike this one, if it is formed as it is, here 4 different types it will be present related to this recombinant as well as parental one. Similarly, if it is dihybrid, if it is trihybrid, if it is monohybrid, more probably in that recombinant aspects like this it will be present under. So this is, remember, related to recombinant, how crossing over, if it is recombinant takes place, how that is that means inter, that is without any crossing over, no recombination, that is related to the pure linkage, there is no one. Pure linkage as usual, normally it will be present. Without linked, normally it will be present. For example, normally just now I said like A, B and A, B. If it is sister chromatids, all are in the cis position. A, small. It is without recombination. Here, as usual, gametes are formed. Here, what is the total number of gametes are present? Here, total 4 gametes. How many types of gametes are formed? That is important. All are parental, 100% are parental one. How many types of gametes are formed without crossing over? That is related to 2 types only. This is one type, dominant one, this is recessive one. Total number of gametes, you must write 4. How many types? Total number you write 4. How many types means only 2. One is the dominant, another one is the recessive one. There is no recombinant one. But whereas here, one is the dominant, another one is the recombinant. Then one more recombinant. That means 2 recombinant, 2 particular parent. That means 4 different types it will be presented now. Okay? Once or twice you go through this one, then it is very important in exam point of view, the percentage, the recombinant, that parental one, formation of gametes, F1 generation, F2 generation, then test cross, whether it is a monohybrid, dihybrid, but in crossing over, again there may be possible either mono, either di, either tri. Suppose if it is mono crossing over, like this, it will be present. This is a single one. If it is a di crossing over, this is a single one. If it is a di crossing over, it is a parental one. It is one place, another place. Similarly, this is the di crossing over. In tri crossing over, in parental also it will be present. It is the tri crossing over. But remember carefully, in mono single crossing over, di crossing over, single and tri, it is a common. But tri crossing over very rare and all. This tri crossing over, there is no chance, may or may not parental character. Why? Because parental here, this is the parental one, the first one related to parental. Here also, here parental also ready to crossing over. So may or may not, there is no parental offspring there if it is crossing in a tri. So like that, there may be possibility of crossing over single, di and tri. All these different types, it will be possibility under.